Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I want to make a classic peanut butter cookie. Now, I don't mean to toot my own horn or anything, but I would probably say that these are the best peanut butter cookies I've ever had in my entire life. But I am going to show you how to make them so you can decide for yourself if these are just as good, if not better than any other peanut butter cookie you've ever had. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The things you will need is 375 grams of soft butter, 250 grams of brown sugar, 250 grams of granulated sugar, 375 grams of peanut butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 pound of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So you're going to do is get all of your butter, your granulated sugar, and your brown sugar. Add your paddle attachment and then just give it a nice good mix until it's nice, light, and fluffy, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I scraped down the sides of my bowl and now I am adding all of my peanut butter. Okay, and now I'm going to do that nice good mix till nice, well, and incorporated together. Okay, now I'm adding my eggs one at a time. And now I'm adding my vanilla extract. And now I'm adding my baking soda. And now I'm adding my flour just a little bit at a time so you don't get a big old poof ball all up in your face. So just a little bit at a time till it's nice, well, and incorporated all together. Okay, now I'm just adding my last bit of flour and giving it one final mix. Okay, and this is my final dough. It looks nice and good, and I'm going to pop it in the fridge to chill. Okay, now I have a baking sheet with a cookie scoop, and now I'm just going to start forming my cookies. Okay, I have all of my dough balls on my cookie sheet, and now I'm taking a fork with a little bit of granulated sugar, and I'm just going to start making the traditional markings on top of my peanut butter cookie. So I'm dipping my fork into the sugar, and I'm going to press the fork into the dough, going one way and then doing another, making kind of like a square hashtag type. Okay, this is how it looks, and I'm going to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, a classic peanut butter cookie. I really hope you enjoyed this video because I, as always, enjoy making it for you. And if you did enjoy it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click that subscribe button along with that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Come on, it's fun, it's free, why not? Click that subscribe button, help me out. And so, as always, I'm going to be linking all of the measurements and ingredients and directions down below along with my social media. So check it out if you like. But until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!